is me, Mary Maidenhale. Welcome back. Today we are going to be trying out and using the palette that came in the January Boxycharm, the A's Boutte or something like that, Scarlet Dust. I stole this from my sister. She said she gave it to me, but I stole it from her. Anyways, this one, I'm going to be trying this one today. It had, when I opened it yesterday, and I saw it, it looked so good that I just couldn't wait to try it out. And this is how it looks like. It has the orangey colors, and it has, you can see right here, those orangey colors, and then this nocturnal color right here. The darker ones, I'm sorry, let me take this little plastic off. There we go. That one right there is amazing. So, well, it's not amazing yet. I'm just saying that the color looks really good. That's what I mean. Okay, so as you can see, I did my eyebrows, I did my base, I just washed my hair, so that's why it looks like this. So don't come for me. I'm gonna blow dry it later and straighten it. So, but for this video, I think it's just fine. It will be fine. Okay, so we're gonna be trying this out. We're gonna try to do a nice eye look with it. I'm gonna use everything on the palette, so I guess I'm gonna go maybe with like, maybe I'm gonna try the Sunset Rose, then maybe Crimson, and then that shade Nocturnal. I definitely want to try that one. I think I'm gonna go with this top row, and then I'm gonna add this shimmer over here because I don't like the golds, like I've said before. So Aruba and Maui, they could look kind of goldish, so I'm going to go with the hibiscus, and I guess we're going to try that out. Let's see how that works. So it's nice, it's heavy. I've never tried this brand before, the Scarlet Dust. You know, aesthetically it's pretty cute, and it has a really nice mirror, so you can see yourself very well. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to like get closer to you guys so you can see it. I'm looking at the camera here, so I gotta stop doing that. So yeah, let's see how that performs. So for this palette, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I suck at swatching, so I'm just gonna try them, and you can be the judge of it. So I'm gonna clean hands. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that color Sunset Rose, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Ugh, girl, what is that? Oh no. I mean, swatches don't mean that they will not perform okay or good or excellent. It's just that swatching, I suck at swatching colors. That's why I never like do it on my videos, but you know, why not, right? So I'm going to go ahead with this finger. I'm going to go ahead and grab Crimson, which is this color right here. Looks like that. I'm going to go ahead and put it right next to this one. Okay, so that looks nice. That color. I like the color scheme on this one, so I'm definitely excited to try it out. So with this finger, we're going to grab shade. I'm going to be swatching the colors that I probably will be using today, which is this color. I think I dug in there really hard, so I'm sorry. If you can see it here, I'm going to put it right here. There you go. And then with this finger right here, the smaller one, I'm going to go there on Nocturnal, which is this color right here. There. I'm going to go ahead and do it right next to that one. Ooh, that's like a purple. That's so strange. Yeah, it's kind of like a wine color. So now with the brush, I'm going to try and grab with a fluffy brush. I'm going to go with this one. This one is from Wet n Wild. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to go ahead and grab that color Sunset right here. Let's see. Okay. It has a little bit of fallout. I'm going to tap it there, and let's see if it works. Oh yeah, that color is there. Grab a little bit more. Just want to put it in there. Yeah. You can actually see it. It's buildable, definitely. I want it a little bit more intense because the other colors are going to be very, very intense, I think. No fallout on the skin that I see. Huh? No. That looks cute. Now, with a different brush, I'm going to grab this Lancome brush that I have, which is this one. That's the tip right there. Okay, let's make sure that that one's clean. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get in there with the color Crimson, which is the very orangey color over here. That one right there. Let's try that. Okay, that picked it up. Let's see. Estos colores están bien nítidos. Look at that. That's nice. That pops and it's blending really nice with the other one. So that's what you want when you have an eyeshadow palette. You want the colors to blend, because if they just disappear or they just become one color, it's not, no. So let's go to the other eye. That was fast. There. Ooh, on camera they look intense. Okay, so now we're gonna start darkening in there. So I'm actually gonna still be using this brush. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit, and I'm gonna grab that color Shade to start darkening that inner corner. Not the inner corner, like the crease. So we're gonna grab this color Shade. Picked it up. Yep, picked it up there. And let's see. Yep. Stamp it in there. Yeah, you can see the difference. You really can see the difference. I like that. Okay, so that color worked really good. Now, I am going to grab a smaller brush for that nocturnal color, which is the darker one right here, because I don't want it to get everywhere. So let me see. I don't know what brush this is, but it's fluffy and it will get in there. So let's go ahead and grab a little bit of that nocturnal. Oof. Look at that. Ooh. Let's see. Oh yeah. You can see it. We're just gonna keep it here. We're not gonna go all the way over there because we're doing the shimmer. Oh, I touched my nose. We're gonna do, grabbed the wrong color. We're gonna do a cut crease. So I'm gonna keep it dark here only. It has normal fallout, like that. Let's try the other eye. You see that there? Yep. So we're going to go ahead with this brush again, and we're going to dip in that Sunset Rose again, which is like that yellowy color, and then we're going to go ahead and blend everything out there. To make sure we don't lose that first color there. That was super cute. I'm going to be using I have my Jeffree Star Concealer in C11. I don't know if you can see it there. There. So we're going to use this to cut the crease. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the back of my hand a little bit. And let's cut it. cute. That was cute. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the other eye. Okay, so now we're good with that. Let's let that dry a little bit. Okay, it's looking like that. Now we're gonna go with that shimmer. That's on the palette that is called Hibiscus. Yeah, we're gonna go with Hibiscus, and we're gonna touch that Aruba a little bit just for the inner corner. So that will be Hibiscus and Aruba for the inner corner. It works better. We'll see. Oh yeah, definitely. Going there a little bit. You can see there. This color, then we have to marry these two together, so we're gonna just lay that down there for a second. Leave it like that and jump to the other eye. Yeah. Okay. That's looking cute. Let me clean my finger. Now in that little inner corner there, I'm gonna have to use one of those spongies that everybody hates because I can't go in there with my finger, it's too small. So this one that has like a really small tip, this one, I'm gonna dig into Aruba right here. Okay, it's coated. Let's see. Okay, that's looking cute. Got a little sunrise there going on. Ooh, that looks cute. So now we're gonna fill in that with the darker colors and then blend it out. Let me just grab the bottom of this one. So we're just gonna go ahead and tap on it. You see it? Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh, that looks cute. I use this little brush again to blend this out because we're gonna do the bottom eyelash. Yeah, there with the fiery colors. Maybe I'll try like a different color there. I don't know. We'll see. But this is looking super cute. Very, very colorful. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to do the bottom. Using those same colors. Now I'm going to go with this one right here. There we go. Then we grab that color Crimson. Just a little bit of it. Ooh, I love that color so much. Then we grab the Hibiscus. Same thing that we were doing. That is looking super, super cute. Okay, so we're done with the eyeshadow for now. I'm going to go ahead and put the eyeliner, eyelashes, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. We have the lashes, we have the mascara, the eyeliner. This look is so freaking cute. Look at that. Ooh, these eyelashes are so amazing. They're on the same brand that I found at TJ Maxx. They're called Kala, and this is the style Icy. These are so soft and so amazing, and they were like only $3.99. Yes, $3.99. So I'm really loving this look. Okay, so my hair is actually drying down. Look at that. Yep, this is how my hair dries naturally. So I'm going to be trying in Anastasia Beverly Hills color Lippy called Cool Brown. Yeah, I'm using this one. It'll look nice with this eye look. Let's see. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so the eye look is complete. I haven't done my bronzing or anything like that. I completely forgot when I did my base. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. There we go. I'm loving this. Let me just put my hair back a little bit. So yeah. What do you guys think? I think it looks super cute. The eyes are super flattering. This eyelashes are everything. I love it so much. Look at that. Let me see if I can get it closer over there. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends so I can get some followers, some subscribers, some you know, all that good stuff that YouTube brings. Not the negativity, thank you. I don't need that. You can keep it. Anyways, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.